Some lecturers are the reason some students never sit in front. Because look at this. What is this? Once they ask a question, they are bringing you the mic. You must speak into the mic. Sometimes they will say something and they will ask, what is your take on this? As they are saying, what is your take on this? They are bringing you the mic. So that you say what? Lecturers, please, we don't have any take. If you are teaching, teach us and go. So there are some courses when you enter the lecture room, you see that every student is crowded at the back. Because if you make a mistake and come and sit in front, you would answer all the questions and you must share your take on every single issue that the lecturer brings up. Please, lecturers, be calming down for us. Be doing like this. Students, you too, prepare before you go to the lecture room. Prepare well before you go to class, so that when you are asked a question, the mic is brought, you can answer. In fact, there are students who are allergic to the microphone. When they are in the lecture room, they don't even want to touch the microphone because they don't even have anything to say. They have not read anything. They are just there watching you. Lecturers, be calming down for us. As always, love and light all day.
Know yourself, Charlie. Charlie, that's funny. That's funny. Know yourself and know that you are a fresher, Charlie. No cuckoo. Everywhere you find yourself, you pick a chair and you sit. Charlie, know yourself. When you are going and you are well prepared, know where you are going to sit. And know yourself. Some people is good, or God created a front seat for them. Automatically, God created them it for them. And some people too, they created the back seat for them. Some people too, the middle seat. So you have to know the particular seat that you have to sit. Then you know yourself that, oh, this place will help me. If the lecturer asks me anything, I've done the damn work, I can answer. Charlie, you don't be saying you back seat and yama could be per kunya question. Now, dear, how the position of the seat look like. Let's watch it. It's very funny. And know yourself. Let's watch the video. And if today is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. On my channel, I do post about anything about education updates. So that you subscribe, you get anything information here in Ghana, across the world, anything about education. And also I post about quizzes, national science and maths quiz not yet in. So anything that concerns education, I do post here. So subscribe so that I get updated for more videos like this. Let's watch the position of the sitting positions in class. Let's watch it.
What your sitting position in class says about you. Number one, the front row. If this was your position, then you definitely want no trouble. You just came to school to make use of your parents' money. However, these people are super judgmental. They judge everybody. Just because they are sitting in front, they think they're ahead of you in life. Next, the middle row, aka the middlemen. These people, they are super sneaky. It's like they are not there, but they are there. They have all the information in the class. If anything gets missing in the class, ask them. They know about it. Lastly, the back row, aka the backbenchers. These people are like the class cartels. Nothing happens in the class without their say so. Whether or not the class is going to be quiet, it depends on them, and they are always owing school fees for no reason.
Ooh la la, so you got yours, and also sitting in the front seat doesn't guarantee you to success. You get it? And also sitting in front, a lot of people think that is seriousness. Yes, we all know it's seriousness. You are not wasting your mom's money. But some people always sitting in front. At times, when you look at their results, Charlie, very bad. Some are very good, some are very bad. Unlike the years in GHS, and they're different. But here, Charlie, what you know, so the back seat also they determine how the class noise will go. So watch a video about the best graduating students. They're not here actually. This best graduating students, they surely chuku, not a backbench. Not a back page, because any front seat, they are very serious. Like, when they are going for lectures, they are well prepared. Most of the times, those seated in front. And if you are not doing the damn work, Charlie, don't go and sit there. Compare to the baby choking. By here, some people whisper, "Oh, a verb is a doing word or an action word. If the thesis is the place where I plan to prepare their own food, in the Niger, when you can claim their blue now, go baby. That is cuckoo or any organ. How got now? Chairman, the name Jimmy. So know yourself. And so let's watch what the best graduate student was doing at the back before he went for his award, Charlie. It was actually a penalty. Let's watch it.
Graduating students in the academic section of 2023 for the Department of Business Administration.
And also during examination hall, Charlie, examination kunya, who at the back? Like, I don't know how people like the act of stupidity in studies. If you read a lot of books, you cool in front, no got just a cuckoo. Lawyer. Now you will feel. I will let us watch a short video, a short clip. I got to the music, the course what you Charlie. For Jim, I'm winning down. You go pass. We Jimmy John, I mean, saving for I'm not tiring. Know yourself. Know yourself. What been they are fine. But we average mediocrity anyway, no be now who she so Charlie. Koshachi will be your muye for Jim. But more winning down, more really down. You should be very vigilant so that you overcome all this chaos, Charlie. That's how Jimina don't go to Subia. Obian and Shebre. And there is a saying that Briko Cranko, Nakoko Cranko. There is the difference in soul. Every being is having a different soul. For Uncle Tono, you feel when you write more receipt than you remember. Charlie. So let's watch the short clip.